Hello, my name is Jessica and today I'll be showing you our Bushnell ION 2 watch, which is available in a black and blue colour or silver and green colour. In the box you will find your new Bushnell ION device, Bushnell manuals, charger, and the spare screwdriver to reverse your straps. When you have opened your Neo ION 2, please remove the sticker on front of the face. Connect the charger to the back of the watch. And press the on-off button on the bottom right hand side. To reverse the straps on the ION 2, please remove all 4 screws on each side of the straps. Turn the straps over and screw them back in. Please also make sure to reverse your buckle. Please make sure to disable the auto off option. Press menu, setup, auto off, disabled. To adjust yards or meters, please go to menu, setup, yards and meters, and select yards or meters. To enable the Bluetooth option on your ION 2, please go to menu, Bluetooth, on. There will be a Bluetooth icon on the bottom left of the screen and you can now pair your watch with your phone.